Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on your time zone. Because piano can and share button, not very important. What maybe say, where are you watching us from? I can see somebody like Samuel. Samuel is, I will answer this question. Chinwe Jennifer Kekime. Paul Obim Kekime. My day was fine. I am fine. Because you see, I can share the video. Tell me where you're watching me from. Maybe it's watching from. Tell me. Where are you watching me from? Give me more like, more love. It will help the video. Piano can share button because I want to make a Piano can share button. Okay, God bless you. Because people are gonna share about other people. All right, Paul Obim, God bless you. Because people are gonna share about it, share them the video, share them the video, so other people will come in. Okay, from Enugu, wow, Chinwe, mwebe Enugu, abe Enugu last week. It's okay about for Ijowa, all the same, so what draw. Because I want to make a new water. But you are what I was studying. I can be. Other one, Mamma didn't want Piojo. Muddy won't Pioja, I didn't want. And why are muddy won't Piojo? Where are muddy air? I'm not going to go wire. Urge my cabin, Mathias Ezeaku. Or to do the medicine without Mathias Ezeaku, the man want content. Obuchukwu Nnaji, God bless you. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ si without Mathias Ezeaku, the man want content. I smile. Chidindo, Loginius, good evening, Kekime. Then my fans, when I ask her that without Christianity, and Mathias Ezeaku, I am on the Facebook, how much more page. But I want to tell you today that I'm not the boy Mathias Ezeaku. I'm not the boy, so I have been on Facebook, where Facebook page. When I was using phone, Mathias Ezeaku and my boy, God bless you. When I was using phone, Mathias Ezeaku and my boy. Now, this our brother Anakpo Arum. This our brother Anakpo Arum. Mbabari Mathias Ezeaku arrest. Pay attention. You want to pay attention. Mbabari Mathias Ezeaku arrest. Aruma, a member of Mathias Ezeaku church. Omenala Igbo was here. Mathias Ezeaku resist the arrest. Carlo Maria, good evening. Benson, good evening, sir. Namupu. Mathias Ezeaku resist the arrest. Na na picture ya afu ebe agada Mathias Ezeaku n'ukwu. Agadi aka n'ukwu na adoya. Ona agba kene ana adoya. Ona agba kene ana adoya. Members here wunde on the train where face when the SARS buegbe. Government demanded kaba utagin. You know resist arrest. You are fighting government. Members who were Attire. Amamu muna chori na nande SARS yegbe. Amamu muna chori na SARS yegbe. Then Abazi harassing God. Makana unu the violence to the SARS people. Lord, like you're welcome. Unu the violence. Abazi egbe harassing God. Mbotuzie this your member na akpa arum. Akpara gabo na ogwu. Mathias Ezeaku eti mkpu eji gbapwa membi egbe. For your information, ndị onye ọrụ na-akọ ọnụ ewe since the time ago, I can't reply you. Onye ọrụ na-akọ ọnụ, don't waste your time, don't waste your MB, I can't reply you. I got to come stage here. Now, Mathias Ezeaku na-etizi mkpu na-agba membi egbe. Akụzahụ kwere nkwa na ya ga-abịanete memba Mathias Ezeaku wee kwụọ bill ọbụla IG treat here. Akụzahụ dị very busy. Emecha Mathias Ezeaku pụtakwa mee video na Akụzahụ si na ọ ga-abịa na afọ Akụzahụ yiri na propaganda ka ịkpụta afọ Akụzahụ na ndị Zion ministry. At the end of the day, Akụzahụ bịa were 1 million nye your member. At the end of the day, I want 500,000 ka enyere ya. No mistake ka o mee. Ndị niile nọcha na that hospital, Akụzahụ nyechara ha ego 200,000. Then, at the end of the day, ị chọpụtazie na Akụzahụ na ọwụ 500,000 ka enye. Kama ị ga-akpọkwa na Akụzahụ na phone aso eji nọmbịa na Akụzahụ ọ 500,000 ka unu weta. Ịkpọ ha Akụzahụ na phone epụta ahụ ebe na social media si na ewetara 500,000 na ego adị ka ego onyinye agbachara rọba. Na ọkwa 500,000 ka ewetara na ọgbakwa 1 million na ego adị ka ego onyinye agbara rọba. Okwu niile bụ okwu mkparị. Ime ọkụwa Akụzahụ mkparị bịa na ego onyinye. Enwere ego na a na-ede ego onyinye n'ahụ. Enwere ego ọbụla a na-apụta weta egede ya ego onyinye. Asị na nke a bụ ego onyinye, na nke a bụ ego arụsị, na nke a bụ ego hospital, na nke a bụ ego gọọmenti, na nke a bụ ego Mathias Ezeaku, na nke a bụ ego ije ụwa ede ya n'ahụ ya. Ka egisi ma na ego onyinye. Akụzahụ kwere nkwa na ya wetara enye 1 million ebe treat with this guy. Na ọwụ na ozu na ya ga-eweta ego ọzọ. Wee kwekwa na ya ga-enye this guy 2 million ka o wee bido business. I wee pụta wee mee video wee si na ego onyinye. Ime ọkụ wee kparịbịa indirectly. Ịkparịbịa indirectly. O wee were iwe wee cancel 2 million ahụ. Mechakwa complete is the remaining 500,000 or 1 million. Na Mathias Ezeaku na video akịta ịbịa mee isi na bịara iyo ego. N'unu bịara iyo ego na ya ga-eji wee kwụ ụgwọ bill a 1.3 million something. 1.3 million something bill nwanne anyị nwoke a. Na 1 million Akụzahụ wetara na ihe emetụ ya aka. Enwere 1 million to go to standby. Akụzahụ wetara ego for treatment of this our brother. Akụzahụ wetara that 1 million for the treatment of this our brother. O wetara 1 million a ka this our brother were make business. O wetara here ka o were go motorcycle. O wetara here ka o were arụ ụlọ. O wetara here ka o were go akwa. O wetara here ka o were je nụọ nwaanyị. O wetara here ka o were je nye onyinye ma ọ ga Thanksgiving na church. O wetara that 1 million for the treatment of this guy. Ka were treat this guy in the hospital. Mathias Ezeaku, you were that 1 million debe. You were 1 million ahụ idebe si na ihe emete ya aka. mana ịpụta mere anyị video si na unu esetụlugo na udo adịgo na nwaozi na-ese gị na Kozayon na peace adịgo wite otu ọnụ gị ka iji si na 1 million na-enye emetụ ya aka. Ị chọrọ ime video esi nwanne anyị Kozayon kpọtara ndị be agba egbe. Eche m na unu esetụlugo. Now Mathias Ezeaku isi na balance eji kpọpụta nwanne ya 1.3 million something. Na video ga isi na you have spent thousands or you put on the video gị. Isi you have spent thousands. Ka go spend it. That thousands you spend or is it your personal money? Ka ego general ndị mmadụ total. Mathias Ezeaku isi na ị nwere 2 million ị ga-enye pastor ma o mee miracle. Mathias Ezeaku isi na pastor na mee miracle na ị ga-enye 2 plot of land. Mathias Ezeaku isi enwe pastor mere miracle na ị ga-ebi ya moto. Mana Mathias Ezeaku ịbịa ka anyị reziere gị 1.3 million something. Mathias Ezeaku ịbịa ka anyị reziere gị 1.3 million something. Why now when 1 million they stand by Kozayon with them for the treatment of this boy? It's in the year Metiaka. Now, as onye omena na eziokwu na ndụ. Na kezi ebe love you nwere dị, kezi ịfụnanya gị. Where is that your love? Where is that your love? Obviously na ifuru ụmụnne gị n'anya na ifuru ndị Igbo n'anya na ị na-eme ka Igbo dị mma na ịchọrọ ọganihu ndị Igbo, ịchọrọ ka adị n'otu, ịchọrọ ka adị n'udo, ọgbaghị na-ekwu, ịchọrọ ka ife onwe anyị n'anya abi ọgbaghị na-ekwu. Now my question now is why 1 million ahụ eweta ka e wee treat this our brother? Why ji wesịrị ihe emete ya aka? Why did you say a Metiaka? Well, Jaw, each of him video this boy, in that Pacosa and Alpha. Each of this boy, in that Pacosa and Alpha. Manis na Aguaragi, Sap was under Madafa. Is it a man nudo? Nagada Cosa and a man nudo, Nuda do go peace I do go, love I do go, and China woman, ever China woman, and do a man nudo. Why are you still calling his name? And why na 1 million I have Nigeria treated this boy? Maka 1 million now can we treated this boy? Or would I go to business call? All of your members members go happy go we not violence. Or ignorance in a new subu, lack of knowledge and wisdom. Or in a new subu. That's the reason why happy was on. But how cheerful that now. Ọbụrụ onye gbapụrụ ọsọ na-ebu ụzọ eru. Ihe ji mana ka ezigbo member Mathias Ezeaku once ha bịa akọba gị ọnụ ozugbo. Ọ ihe ji ama member Mathias Ezeaku ha bịa akpọ ozugbo ha akọba gị ọnụ immediately. Ọ ihe ji ama their members. Once they come into your page, a cover gone immediately. That is how you know their members. How were similar character. How were just to her. How were the same blood. They are training what they are supposed to cover gone immediately. Man, I had cheerful. Na had the believe. He had the believe. Now when they wasted their MB when they follow them 24 hours. I know they follow them. If you guys already believe me. Mathias Ezeaku, in when 2 million in your pass of miracle. In where 2 plot of land. Now, what almost 10 million. It's a be pastor moto, more miracle. My neighbor can raise 1.3 million something. Mana ibe ka ire zere gi 1.3 million something. Mana enwere 1 million no dey stand by ewete for the treatment of this our brother. Isi ni ya emete ya aka. Ka ezebe love gị dị. Where is your love? Shebi agbesike ifunanya chia. Isi let's love lead. Ka ifunanya chia. As onye ndu agbesi ozi Igbo ndu. Kwa nye gị. As onye ndu you're supposed to be an example. Be an example of love. Show us love. Without love, you can show I. Okay, I change their mind. So we say gnazu as ozi wonder. Okay, my so we say gnazu. Gabazie church Omenala bozo Ezeaku. Mathias Ezeaku 1 million naira this boy on account to go code. On account to the boy code. 1 million naira kuza anu wete. So okay, and the most funny thing is no is buy a rubber kokade. Odo is buy a rubber kokade. Now tell me, if you were 1 million naira na critical condition amade no. Na condition na and there's here everywhere. Can you wear that money there without it here in a bank? Now, can we deposit the money? Can we deposit that money? It's not to buy a rubber, no to accord. So it means that you kept that money. It here in a bank. It's a middle learned. You will go to how the devil can we deposit that money? Oh, nega phone. Who will you blame? Magisa ayi no to esi buy rubber no to akokade. Mathias Ezeaku, how are you showing the love? Jeki se go saye funanya. Unu gachara police gacha bata. Iwere onu ga make video. Isi nuda adigo. Nuda adigo. Then we go peace. Na gana akosa on one nenu na yese. Akosa with 1 million. Ke we treat here this boy. Iwere 1 million na buy rob otu a jedebe. Ma obu na 1 million na akade. I buy rob debe. E put up say I raise 1.3 million. Why not you with 1 million now? Puyendo ega for 300,000. But the guy will go get treat here this boy. Or you ego akosa no wete. Ega get treat here this boy. Now, why is you do that money? Somebody tag get am Mathias Ezeaku na akosa never. Tag get am Mathias Ezeaku na akosa yo. Somebody tag get am akosa never. Tag get am Mathias Ezeaku and akosa yo. Idu meba. Is name good that peace here and go. There is peace. Ka love for chia. Na igba alugo onye obuna. Onye na agba onye mejo ka onye mejo. Na igba alugo onye obuna na uda adigo. Onye na fu nwanne ya n'anya. Mana 1 million akosa no wete for the treatment of this your member our brother. Iwere ego ahụ debe ikwe ha wepụta ego ahụ ịbịasịkwa anyị tụọ 1.3 million na-ego for na-ego eji bel 1.3 million mana inwe 2 million ị ga-enye pastor ma o mee miracle nwee 2 plot of land nwee moto. Mathias Ezeaku from 2 million ahụ ị ga-enye pastor ma o mee miracle si ebe a were 1.3 million bel all this our brother na ọwụ your member and not maka gị nwa not because of you, because of your ignorance, because of your stubbornness, come mboji wetu. Okafor Chima, you're welcome. All because of you, Cambodia were toward this boy. All when you were gentleman gas school, Mbabari mega arrest. All when you move gently as well gas school. Is it okay? Please, can I call my lawyer? They will give you space. You call your lawyer. Please, which station are working? You call your lawyer. Nena aga so station. Isura gently. I can't hear what there will not be noise. I can't hear what I can't hear where I can't hear no peacefully. Mathias says that you are spending for which guy? From which pocket? You are spending for which guy? From which pocket? Or is it from your own money? Come from Egoni money na to. Mathias says that Egoni not spending this guy. Your own particular contribution Egoni call. Mathias says that as that the GOA this boy na if we have now as that the GEU Egoni with your own personal money contribute to this guy. Why you going over? See from 2 million now he when he get a pastor, what up to 1.3 million. Well, one of this boy. Go on our yard. How many people share your video? How many people share your video? Because share this video. How many people share? Because share this video. Because I'm not gonna share, but to share this video. You're not gonna share about it because share this video, share this video, share this video. Set more like and love. You're not gonna share button. Get Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. Makana with 1 million for the treatment of this boy. Mathias Ezeaku sini ya Mathiaka. K Idris brand new. K Idris sensible here. And when 1 million stand by 1 million. Stand by 1 million. Why that now? But I said that by you make 1.3 million. Because share video because share video. 1 minute. Don't leave 1 minute. Because people are gonna share button. Share this video. Here Jama members Mathias Ezeaku Abiana Akonu. Oh here Jama. All small boys how. Men doesn't talk. Now in my comment section, you can feature small boys. All Hana Akonu. Mandi rule 70 years. Mandi rule 60 years now on they are small boys to me. One of small boys. Oh boys, small boys uno wata. Uno wata. It would a man, he may a man in them. I had a man bottom. He had a man in them, I had a man boys in them. I got good boys. Boys, my boys. Somebody tag get him. Money 20 tag get him. One of my boys. One of my boys. Tag get him. One of my boys. Mathias Ezeaku members of boys. Just somebody should write for me. Mathias Ezeaku boys. They are boys. Maybe 70 years yo, maybe 80 years yo. As long as they will remember Mathias Ezeaku, he will boy. He will boy. What that? Mathias Ezeaku, that 1 million is a year account. Why? Why? Why such hatred? Why such obiojo? Why? Emmanuel Ifeko, God bless you. Stella Maris Amaka, Ezigbo Mmadụ, God bless you. Ezigbo Mmadụ. Mathias says, go from 1 million now. I can with it. Whether I war na hospital with this guy, can you go for 300,000? Yeah, Victor Isiagu, God bless you. Good evening, sir. Mathias says, go from 1 million now. I can with it. For all this guy, come on, they go for 300,000. Why are you trying to raise 1.3 million? Why the time we're 1 million they stand by? Joel, Jumbo, God bless you. Mathias Ezeaku, why are you raising 1.3 million? Are you when 1 million stand by? And this guy for his treatment. Ego akozanu wetara we go geji we bidafia. O we go geji go moto. O we go geji go keke na pep mo wakada. O we go geji ru no no nwanyi. Ego wetara we go geji treat ya. So ebe nwere bill 1.3 million. You go have 1 million for 300,000. Then why are you raising money? But you are boasting, telling us you were 2 million again, possible miracle. We're 2 plot of land again. So any now assess call now. Up to an assess. You want the land. You want 2 million again. In case you multi get pastor. Up to an assess. My God, with that 2 million. You see from 2 million now. We better go this boy. Somebody, Mathias Ezeaku members, unu na-akpọ m onye ndị eriri good and fine. Mana onweba industry unu rụ eriri good and fine. Onweba hospital unu rụ ebe ga na-check kidney failure ndị mmadụ. Eriri God bless you. Onweba school unu rụ. And what you now manufacture? And then I Imana unne the right top, unada my unne. Oye gas nyaga bomb egbe n'isi. Oye gas nyaga bomb egbe n'isi. Can screenshot to ya. Somebody help me screenshot this thing. Also that that he swear with his life. Nyaga bomb egbe n'isi. Let me screenshot it. That he will visit me. And screenshot to ya. Don't worry, I get pick you very soon. We will pick you very soon. I get pick you very soon. Also, nyaga bomb egbe n'isi. Also, nyaga visit him and nyaga bomb egbe n'isi. Now, no Jim Dia, I get pick you very soon. No worry. I get pick you very soon. We'll pick you. No worry. It's a fake account to match that man will take it. Pick a name, get with again. Get with again. And they got prison. He got prison. Yeah? Man, my woman, no one. I'm there to tell you. You get with again now. Don't worry. No, no worry. You end my life, Abby. No worry. No worry. No, there. I'm a movie pig. I go pick you. Thank God in there. What in an affair? No, share video. Let's screenshot go me. People are seeing it. People are seeing it. You said that thing about my bonus. So you want to So you want to Abby. So you want to so you want to begging. It's a nigga about my bonus. Nigga visit him. Nigga end my life. No worry. Also go with a fake account there, dear. Eh? Nga wagna wandi chumu kechano wa. Eh? I track made dota. We track you. I got prison maka here there. I got prison. I'm about to openly. Everybody open ya. Ezo mi ezo. Achoke mara ki as you call bag easy. I got prison maka here there. Hey. On the Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. Ndi threat people's life. Ndi na ha ga-egbu mmadụ. Onye nwudere egbuo ya. Because na m jụrụ ma ya believe na arụ nsi unu na-efe. Lọk inwe n'abalị ahụ na adịm afụ gị face to face. Lọk inwe. Ọ na mfụ gị face to face. Ọ na mfụ gị face to face n'abalị a. Man, I know go talk. Mathias Ezeaku 1 million akuzano wetere ebe ka the money dị. Why you esi na ihe emete ya aka? Ka idiro obi ojunu nwere ya. Ka idiro obi ojunu nwere. Ka idiro obi ojunu nwere. Mogem obuni we man, nyam your address, nyam address gi. Obuni woman, give me your address, nyam phone number, then phone number gi. Give me your phone number. Obuni woke, ne woman, nyam your phone number. Give me your phone number, there me here. Give me your phone. There your phone number. There your phone number. Tell them your correct phone number. Tell them your correct phone number tomorrow. If I don't pick you, just the address. Tell them phone number. Tell them your correct phone number. As your phone number as correct one. You fake. If the phone number give tomorrow, if I don't pick you tomorrow, may God take my life. unless you're not Nigeria. Unless you're not Nigeria. You know Nigeria, they don't phone number ever. They don't phone number here, and I write your phone number here. Write them here. Write your phone number here. Iji wuro onye iberibe ka nwa gị ji wuro onye iberibe. Iji wuro onye iberibe wu na iwere ego ga-eji rie nri je gote MB. Sọbụọ wee na comment page ma na-egro. Ị mụrụ anya abalị ibe gị na-arahụ ụra iwe maka mmụrụ anya abalị. Ịma na iwe onye iberibe. Ịma na erighị eri. Iji maka mụwa mụrụ anya abalị. Were maka m were ego iji eri nje sọbụọ na-promote my page. Share the video. Okoko. Ogadere your phone number ebe a. Ima bude the English. Go back to primary school. Us not make this word. Make this word. Or make kakuzegana school. Otagus anandu nuni. Mbiga biko mbariga kana yoba biko. Mbariga kana biko apabaga no. Ibeba akwa yoba biko. Umazi mama aka na-enye nni inwechata MB 2000 ị na-amachagharị. Ogadere m phone number gị ebe a. Dere m your phone number here. Dere m phone number gị ebe a. Onye na-type ihe ga nda Ugo John I don't know you. Muna get anything. Ugo John I don't was to end my life. They don't get end my life. They don't phone number again. Mathias Ezeaku 1 million akuzon with half far. 1 million now. Well, 1 million now go do boo no boa. I go for 300,000. But 1 million of group no, I go for 300,000. This name go peace no daddy go. There was why you say now 1 million now they get Mathias. Why na any drego ejibel all this guy no know. He will 1 million at tebe. Iri Ji approve of this guy. Iri Ji approve of this guy. Can he deposit the 1 million? Can he raise here 1.3 million? Can you get a 1.3 million now? We don't have it there. On it, that members in Domain and I was with Yobu. I wouldn't want many branches. What are the branches need now? Can't talk to you. We branch na Port Harcourt, we branch na Enugu Zeto, we branch na kewazi imepe branch na Lagos, we na Abuja. Raise the money. Well, for what do you know? Raise the money. Well, what do you know? Ijowa. Ọkwa na Ijowa. Abigo, onye chọrọ bata online, bata online. Onye chọrọ bata online before mechie this live video. Any person that want to contribute now this topic should come online. Oh, you want to button online, you should come online so that I can end the video. And you may also. Akozan with a 1 million. Listen very carefully. Akozan with a 1 million. Well, see, now for the treatment of this our brother. Abi? Now, as I've seen here, I'm a guy. Once I raise 1.3 million. One then we stand by 1 million.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Get me.
Adima came at Unumir.
Get me.
Fine. Adima came at your side.
I'm fine. There's no letter. We are not seeing you. What happened?
Because it's dark over here. That's why I switched it to audio.
Okay, good and fine. What is your name and where are you watching? What calling from?
Yeah, my name is Uche Chuku, calling from Edo State.
You are welcome. Do you have anything to contribute or
Yeah, what
question?
I want to contribute about this very topic is that at first, Mathias should have taken full responsibility of that guy treatment because he caused that guy predicament. The first time the police people came to arrest Mathias, if Mathias had peacefully followed the police without fighting the police or dragging guns and fighting, causing in the name of trying to resist, and that guy wouldn't have been in this condition. So if you watch the video the day they came to arrest
network is disturbing where you are.
Okay, can you hear me clear now?
Can you cut?
Okay.
Network is disturbing where you are. Is there any other person that wants to come online? You are free to come online and ask questions or contribute before I close the program. Any other person that wants to come online, you can join me before I end the program and have some rest. Tabu Gobi, Yakime, good evening, my brother. Akozan with 1 million, can we treat our brother? Okay, send signal now. Send your signal now. Akozan with 1 million, can we treat our brother? Well, when I get to find them on the morning, I is you. Well, 1 million there with it. But I said I can put him at the No, it's network. It's not me. It's network. Me, Manuel. I'm not the one that did that did it. It's network. It's network. I'm not the one that take him off his network. So he can call back. I don't do like that. I'm not the one that do his network. Any person that want to contribute can come online and contribute. Any person that want to contribute should come online and contribute. I've sent signal for you. Vema Joe Chidindu. I've sent to you. You are not accepting. I've sent you. You're not accepting. I've sent request to you. Any other person that want to contribute should send request. Any other person that want to come online, send your request. I'm ending this video. How many people are watching me here? Check your screen. How many people are watching me your screen? How many persons? How many persons? How many persons are watching me? How many number are you seeing your screen? I am seeing 69 here. How many are you seeing your screen? $69, okay, it's correct. I send the wrong request. You cannot be able to come in on network. It's not your fault, it's not my fault, it's network. Another person send my request, no way. 10, okay, it's network. Patriva, okay. I have accepted you, it's network, it's not my fault. You are seeing 10, okay, but here is 69. It's network, here is 69. If you want to contribute, send request, I will accept you. I have said the fact, Mathias says I should take that 1 million and pay for 300,000. Okay, now it's 48, but it's 69. $52 is 69. The correct answer is 69 here. I'm still 69. Yeah. Uh, you, I don't know. As go to your as you're looking at me, you have ever there. I want to get excuse go to online. Don't after this live, don't get excuse here. Only Angel, I've been accepting you on network. It's not my fault though. Okay. Network better.
Ijo.
Nah.
Ijo. My brother.
My brother.
Adam. I'm okay. Good evening, my brother. Good evening from Pakistan.
Yeah, good evening, my brother from Nigeria.
Thank you, man.
Omenala.
My brother, our here for battle line again. I'm killing go dig my power and I roll shilek a lot easy. Mpuro a lot of Attire shilek a lot easy. Ịghọtago adọrọ m maka ndị erieri ndị onye ọbụla efere eri gị and we amanyezi ya change enwekwa change and I tell you onye ọbụla eri gị ndị awụ ndị Mathias eriele ndị ọ ga-eri ịghọtago ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ha na ndị omenala bụ ụzọ arụfa ịghọtago ndị erigo ndị ha ga-eri amamela aghọta na mana adị m very very happy ka isi arụ ọrụ Chineke Jehovah ga-echeta gị in a good day. Jehovah ga-echeta gị mere gị ihe ịrịba ama ịghọtago ọnwụ drọpụọra m your personal number drọpụọra m your personal number na my inbox la my message this m ga-akpọ gị for good, you know. I will call you for good. Yeah, just wepụ m ka m kpọọ online.
Okay.
Yeah. One love, my brother. One love.
Network. Network na nsogbu.